is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today I have yet another amazing build that I'm going to feature here on Behind the Wheel. Now remember, Behind the Wheel is just as much about the people and the story behind the car as it is about the car. Now if you've been into Mustangs for any decent amount of time, you've more than likely heard of Mustang Magic. And it's crazy to think that Mustang Magic has been around for over 30 years. I can remember the first time I went there, it was probably the late 90s with both my Fox body and then a little later on with the New Edge. And Joe, the owner of Mustang Magic, is continuing that performance legacy with his shop car S550. I have to tell you, this car looks badass, sounds badass, and is really, really quick. But I'm going to let him tell you more about it.
Hey guys, how you doing? My name's Joe. I'm the owner of Mustang Magic, Deer Park, New York, 160 Brook Avenue. Our phone number is 631-254-3430. This is our 2018 Mustang GT. We started off with a base model 2018 GT, 10-speed automatic car, not performance pack or anything like that. So we started off by doing headers, cold air kit, and a tune. With that setup, it made, on the 85, it made about 470 horsepower to the wheel. It was very fun to drive on the street and even better at the track. The thing just hooked and booked. After that, we obviously didn't have enough. I'll bring you over to the front here. We have a Whippled Gen 5 3.0 liter stage 2 blower kit on it. After we put that on, we decided to go with the 4 Innovations fuel system, coupled with a set of ID Injector Dynamics 1050s. Then we upgraded to a smaller pulley size. The smaller pulley size on the supercharger is a 3.75. We're running about 12 pounds of boost. It's making 824 to the tire, just over 600 foot-pounds of torque. We just went to the track about a week ago. It went 975 at 142 miles an hour. No roll cage or anything like that, so we couldn't keep dialing it in any further. They wanted me to put a cage in the car. So at this point, we're probably done for a little while. But it's a very good streetable car. We're over here at a Strong Island Stangs car show today, showing everybody what it's about and how our shop pretty much, we could build you a street car that you can take out on the track, race it on the street. 40 mile an hour rolls are great in this car. From the dig, it's a little hard to get traction on the street, but it's definitely a good time no matter what you want to do with it. Thank you for watching.